There's a new scam targeting people in Maine, and it's mostly done by text message. Banks and credit unions in Maine say scammers are impersonating fraud alerts and stealing customers' account information. Chris Costa explains what's happening and how you can prevent yourself from falling victim.
If you use online banking, you probably recognize text messages like these saying, "Did you make this purchase?" Well, now scammers are creating their own versions of these texts, pretending to be financial institutions right here in Maine, including Town and Country Federal Credit Union and Katahdin Trust. The credit union says customers who replied to this first text message got our second message with a fake login link designed to look almost identical to the credit union's real website.
They are clicking on this URL. It's not our URL. It's landing them on a landing page that looks identical to our mobile banking login.
Heidi Olson with Town and Country says some members entered their usernames and passwords on the fake site.
The fraudsters now have our members' usernames and passwords. They have the ammo they need to get into online banking and mobile banking. The only piece they're missing is a two-factor authentication code, which they're obtaining through these phone calls.
Olson says scammers then called customers, asking them for the two-factor authentication code that banks send to verify a login attempt. She says it's happening while victims are still on the phone.
Because the fraudsters are likely on the phone with our members, logging into our digital banking platform while they have the member on the phone, having these codes sent to them.
They are scamming them in real time.
Real time. Real time. As you're talking to them, it's happening.
Chris Costa reporting there. So Town and Country staff explained ways to identify and stop a scam. First, check the number. Most banks use 5 or 6 digit text numbers, not standard phone numbers. Second, check the web address carefully. If you think the alert might be real, don't use the link in the text. Open your banking app or type the website in yourself. If you clicked, contact your bank immediately. Third, never share that two-factor authentication code. Banks and credit unions will not call and ask for it. Lastly, be skeptical, and if something feels off, stop and contact your bank directly.